Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing, guys? It's been a long time. Guys, I'm so very busy with the family. So, guys, in today's video, I'll be cooking what my husband is craving for. And, guys, you can see me on my pajamas because it's 12 midnight. And my husband is craving for pounded yam or pando yam with banga soup. So guys, as an African wife, I want to make everything like easy. I want to please my husband, so I'm going to be cooking because I'll be eating part of it. So in this video, I'll be using chicken and also fish, whitening fish and mackerel fish for my banga soup. And for the pounded yam or pando yam, I don't have pando yam, neither pounded yam. So guys, I'll be using my blender to blend my food processor to blend the yam to make pounded yam. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy every bit of the video, guys. And this is my first time of trying my food processor for the yam, so I hope it turns out good. So let's get into the video. If you are coming across my video for the first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Adenike and welcome to Adenike Space. And also don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. So let's get into the video. Guys, this is the part I've been waiting for. My yam is so soft, it's ready to be blended. So let's see how it goes. So I have my food processor here, and for this processor I use it for okra, to slice my veggies. You can use it for anything, and it's very affordable. Like, it's so cheap. I got this from Walmart for, is it not $80 or something. So you can see this. Oh my god. mm, it's going, it's blending. You're gonna see the results. Like, the results like was so perfect. I'm just checking, you see. Oh my goodness. So my pando yam is ready. You can try this at home, guys. You can try it. It's very nice. It's so soft. And if you want it more soft, like, you can add the water from the yam to it, not ordinary water. You can add the water from the yam to it. So thank you guys for watching. If you're still watching until this moment, thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you're coming across my video for the first time, please kindly support your girl. Subscribe to this channel for more videos.